What's goody people? Welcome back. Now it's time to do the oil change in this Kia Optima, but this one is a 2017. All right, I'm gonna show you how to do that. So stay tuned. Yeah. Right, this baby has 100,000 miles. All right, we'll see how the oil come out. This is how you open the hood. You see this lever? Just put it like that. That's how you open the hood. All right, Kia Optima. Here's the lever. There you go. You don't need to hold it though, huh? You have two pistons, one over there, one over there, which is good. Here, the oil cap. Let's see. Now this baby is gonna take 5W20. That's regular oil, okay? It is in synthetic also, but that depends on you. If you wanna, synthetic oil is more expensive. All right, oil dipstick, washer fluid, reservoir, coolant reservoir, engine mount, radiator cap, battery, engine air filter, fuse box, brake fluid reservoir. Okay. Yeah, pretty much up here. Alternator. This one's 2.4 liter engine. It takes the new AC system 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the where you connect the AC machine, high and low. All right, let's do this oil train. All right, down here everything is beautiful. Not that beautiful, but you get it. We're gonna have to remove this cover right here, 10 millimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bolts. All right, remove that. All right, here. There you go. Now here is the 17 millimeter and the oil filter. We're gonna drain the oil through here. All right, let's get it. There you go. Huh. Not much oil, if you ask me. Huh. Where did the oil go? Put in the comment box. Let me know, man. And why is that? For those that own a Kia Optima. Hmm. I heard some rumors about Kia engines. This guy stepping, walking in the Kia dealership, and in the service area, they have like 20 engines against the wall. Huh. That tells you something? Now, since I'm draining the oil over here, we can go to the oil filter, which is right here. We're gonna drain. Alright guys, all the tools that I'm using for this project, you're gonna find it right below the video. It says products. Look like a nail, or yeah, it says products view. And you're gonna find all the tools that I'm using for this project. Alright, like this clamp, extension, the ratchet, all that. Not much oil in the oil pan. Hmm. 100,000 miles. Remember that. Okay. We'll see how the oil looks in that filter. Let's see, maybe I give you some light oil here. Better. Grab my rag. I'll show you. But I waste this. Look like coffee. There you go. Ooh, it is really dark and heavy and thick. Pulse. I know what you're thinking. I'm not going out like that, Cole. So, hmm, is this engine burning oil or what's going on? Okay, we just grab a rag, wipe where the oil filter sits, you know the deal. I gotta tell you something though. I'm gonna use this oil filter, okay? And this one, Pronto, comes with a few options. If you don't wanna use this brand, which is this is the part number, PO4459. This one's gonna tell you a few brands that you could use. Acetalco, Tim, Fram. Those are the parts numbers, the part numbers for this specific vehicle, 2017 Kia Optima, right? Yeah, I guess it's the guy. You wanna grease this, lube it. Let me know. Put in the comment box how you do it. You put WD-40, this oil, new oil. You tell me. Put in the comment box. Let me know how you do it. All right? You could use any that I mentioned before. Okay. The other thing about draining the oil is that some people might drain the oil over the night, where they make sure they get all the oil out of the engine. Um, but if you want to do it like really fast in the middle of the day or whatever, whenever, you could start the car, warm up the car, then pour some diesel right where you pour the oil in the engine, and then let it idle for a minute so the diesel rinse and dilute the oil, rinse the engine and dilute the oil. And when you drain it, most of the oil is going to come out. All right, I'm putting the drain plug back, 17. Okay, you're going to tie it, snag it, make sure everything's clean. Then put the cover back, like so. Now we're going to go to the top and pour the new oil. Pulse. I see what you're doing. All right, then come through. Smell that. Put your funnel there. We're gonna pour 5.1 quarts, 5W20. Right? And I have it right here. Sure you pour it slow though, because it might overflow at the bottom. All right? 5.1 quarts. Okay? Itty. All right, you done pouring the new oil. Remove the funnel. Put the engine oil cap back. All right, check all the fluids, since you down here. And let me show you how to check the oil level. All right. You're gonna start the car, right? Let it run for a minute so the oil go through the system, especially through the oil filter. Then shut it down, shut the car down. Then I grab this guy, pull it out, wipe it, okay, put it in all the way in, and pull it out. And it should read the oil level should be right here by the F, right where this dot is. Okay, right there, or close to it. And then you put it back. That's pretty much it. All right, 5.1 quarts. Quarts. Okay. And job done. All right, you make sure everything's Gucci. Or we close it good. Now, here's what I show you how to reset the oil life in this baby. All right. All right. We're gonna start the car. Okay, step on the brake, press the start button. Car is running right now. You're gonna see that message. We're gonna get it going soon. Okay, all you gotta do is we're gonna use this guy. Okay, up, down. Okay, this is the menu. You press it, it's okay. All right. So we're gonna press the menu. It's gonna take us to the right. Take us there, straight to the service. Now, if it doesn't, just scroll down or up. It's gonna take you there. Now press OK and hold it to reset. There you go. 3,000 miles, 91 days. Yiddy. Now, if you wanna, let's say, you wanna set up the service interval, go over there. And here you're gonna put the mileage. Every 3,000 miles, we're gonna do the service, or the time, 3 months. All right. And that's pretty much it. That's how you do the oil change in the oil life reset in this 2017 Kia Optima. If you have any questions, don't forget to put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel about this car. Is it reliable? Do you like it? You hate it? Whatever it is, put it in the comment box. And shout outs to subscribers, viewers. What you waiting for? I don't have to tell you what to do with the subscribe, like, share buttons. All right. But if you want to support the channel, you want to show some love, which I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Right below, there's a heart. It says super thanks. Click on it, go through it. It's going to ask you for a tip. Yeah, a tip. Do your best, and I love you for that. Pause. With all the contribution and support for the channel, I get better equipment like flashlight, microphone, phone cases, or camera holders, tripods, microphone. Did I say microphones? And that's why you're watching this video and you feel like you're in the first row. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're in the movie theater. You know what I'm saying? Pause. I'm on a little right here, car. I'm not gonna hold you up. Catch me in the next one. It's me, Axtuo. Holla at your boy. Yeah.